Inflation readings and consumer expectations, well, they're telling two different stories. The Fed's preferred measure of inflation, known as the core PCE, showed an increase of 2.8% in the month of February, which was above the expectation of 2.7% and last month's reading of 2.7%. Now, headline PCE includes the volatile categories of food and energy and showed an increase of 2.5%, which was in line with expectations and also matched January's reading. While the core PCE was a little hot, I don't believe the rate of inflation is over problematic. It would likely not be enough to get the Federal Reserve to lower rates, but it also would not be concerning enough for them to even consider increasing rates. Their wait-and-see approach is likely still in place, and I'm optimistic even with upcoming tariffs, there should be room to lower rates as we proceed through the rest of 2025. Many consumers, on the other hand, seem very concerned about inflation, with the final reading of the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment survey showed expectations. I could not believe when I saw this. Expectations for inflation at a 5% rate 1 year from now, and also over a 5-year horizon. I'm not sure where they're getting that from. The outlook now is like 4.1%. This marked the first time since February 1993 the reading was above 4%. I do believe these respondents are just way off on their forecasts, and I would be shocked if it came to fruition, as that would be more than double the Fed's 2% target. We talked about why we don't like this survey in the past, but in case you missed it, the survey, it is tiny. It appears the survey typically interviews around 600 households each month for the preliminary report and around 800 for the final report. Now, considering there are over 130 million households in the U.S., I just don't see the survey as a strong indicator, even though it's talked about an awful lot. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.